Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a white shirt into black using a non-destructive process. Using your quick selection tool, select the subject shirt. To subtract some parts that are not included in the selection, hold Alt and click on them. In some parts that are not selected, you may need to decrease or increase the brush size. To do that using your keyboard, you can press the left square bracket to decrease the size and the right square bracket to increase it. Once done, duplicate your main background image and click on Add Vector Mask. Then add a new Levels adjustment layer. Make sure you clip the adjustment layer to your mask layer by clicking the square box icon with an arrow down. Then adjust the sliders until it turns black. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.